Alright, so clearly I already have the program open. And what could be happening is sound setting. I ran into this issue once before, but basically what you got to do, you come up here to the top, click on sound, and what may be happening is you have the realistic sound engine on. I don't even know if that's going to work for me right now. It may be because I have a upgraded version of this. Okay, so if apparently it's working on me right now, but just again click on sound at the top here, go to the RSE, a realistic sound engine, click on that, make sure that the check mark is off, and then it will definitely sound different for me. Yeah, so it's a different sound that happens. So that most likely is what's happening. Audio settings, well, if it says there's no sound bank, then this stuff, I don't think it'll affect anything. But yeah, just do that. Click on sound, make sure the RSE is off. So click on that if there is a check mark to get rid of the check mark, and that should take care of it.